Hey guys, welcome to Digitalizers, and in this video I'm going to show you how to integrate HubSpot with WordPress. So to do that, first go to HubSpot.com and log in with your account. Now once you're on your dashboard, just click on settings, and over here you can see integrations. Click on there and then click on connected apps and then click on visit app marketplace. Now you have to search WordPress and then you can see the application HubSpot for WordPress, and then you can just click on install app and then you'll get on this download page and you just have to download it, and then you're just few steps away from integrating HubSpot with WordPress. So thank you for watching this video and I'll see you on the next one.